How to fix the Xbox Game Bar voice chat not working on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So for the first fix to this problem, you need to go to the installed application. For this, you can either go to settings and then on the system to go to installed apps, or you could just directly search for installed app in the search bar. Once you open it, you have to now search for Xbox Game Bar. Once your desired application is shown in the list, you have to click on the three dots on the right side. Then after go to advanced option, scroll down a bit and then first of all tap on repair. This might take some time. You have to wait until it is completed. Once completed, try opening the Xbox Game Bar and try for the voice chat. If it's still not working, click on the reset button. This should probably fix the issue. The next step is checking for the audio connections and the permissions. For this, scroll up to find the app permissions and turn on microphone option. You also have to make sure that the time and language settings is automatic. For that, from the left side of the screen, go to time and language, select on date and time, and make sure that set automatically or set time automatically is turned on. This should now probably fix the issue. Next, what you can do is update your Xbox Game Bar. So for that, open the application and click on update if any update is available. So this was some of the fixes that you can try for solving the problem. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.